Unit 12. Choosing a dog. An important thing to consider when buying a dog is whether it will fit comfortably into your living quarters when it reaches adult size. The presence of young children in the family should also be a factor in selection. A dog for a growing family must be able to stand rough treatment. A toy dog would be a poor choice for such a family because its tiny bones are fragile enough to break when children handle it roughly. In general, larger dogs, such as Labrador Retrievers or German Shepherds, are better adapted both physically and temperamentally for a young family. A dog can be acquired from many sources. It can be bought from a reputable pet shop or from a kennel. Newspaper advertisements describe pups for sale from private parties. Local humane societies have dogs available too. From whatever source you get a dog, however, make certain it is healthy. Ask for proof, if possible, that it has received all the necessary immunizing shots. Males are usually larger, stronger, and more aggressive, and they make excellent watchdogs. On the other hand, females are usually more affectionate and gentle, and if they are purebred dogs and are mated with males of their breed, their pups can be sold for profit. The female has a strong maternal instinct and will guard children as well as she does her own pups. Should you buy a purebred or a mongrel, mixed breed? This question is hard to answer because a purebred dog sometimes turns out to be less desirable than expected, while a mongrel often makes an alert, intelligent, and delightful family pet. As a rule, a purebred pup inherits the traits of its breed. As a result, few surprises in body form and temperament arise when the pup reaches adult. If you want to buy a purebred but are unfamiliar with the breed, first look at a full-grown dog of the breed. The puppy will grow to resemble it. If you want to buy a mongrel, try to see its sire, male parent, and dam, female parent. Its parents will display any unwanted trait that may lie hidden in the puppy. Ideally, children and puppies should grow up together. Caution should be taken, however, when dog owners bring a newborn baby home. Pampered dogs sometimes resent the newcomer because the baby receives most of the parent's attention. They should make an effort to pay attention to the dog too. Unit 13. Elephants. Elephants are the largest living land animals. Their size and the thickness and toughness of their skins protect them from most other wild animals. Since they have few enemies to fear, elephants are usually peaceful and easygoing. They become aggressive when their young are threatened. However, they show great affection for one another, and females spend their lives as members of a family herd. This is made up of several generations of relatives, with occasional additions by mating from other herds. At birth, a baby elephant is about 3 feet, 0.9 meters, tall and weighs about 200 pounds, 91 kilograms. Its sparse coat of woolly hair gradually disappears. The young elephant is nursed by its mother for about 2 years and remains under her protection for 2 more years. Female elephants bear young once every 4 or 5 years. The typical elephant herd contains from 20 to 40 females, cows, of all ages. Only males that are nursing remain with the cows. The leader is usually a mature cow. Adult males, bulls, usually live alone or in temporary all-male groups of up to 7 members. Elephants are active during both the day and the night, though they normally rest during the hottest hours of the day. During that time, the members of a family herd huddle together in any shade they can find and sleep standing up. Towards sundown, the the herd walks to the nearest river, lake, or waterhole to drink and bathe. The pace is set so that even the very young and the very old can keep up. If a mother with a baby falls behind, several other members of the herd will remain to protect them. As the herd straggles along, the elephants push down young trees or uproot them with their tusks to feed on the tender roots, twigs, and leaves. In the open meadows, they gather up tufts of grass with their trunks and stuff them into their mouths. At times, a herd will invade the fields of farmers, but most will never enter villages or destroy huts. A herd may range over a 50-mile, 80-kilometer radius in the course of a season. Seldom does the herd sleep in the same place for 2 days in succession. Pictures have been taken from airplanes showing the vast elephant armies made up of many family herds traveling over the same route toward new feeding grounds.